Alright, let me check out my YouTube channel and watch every single one of my videos every morning like I always do first thing. 100 subscribers? That's amazing. That's so cool. Alright, yo, Marcus Skipper here. So I learned today that I had 100 subscribers, and that's amazing. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to this channel, and I'm really appreciative to each and every one of you who smashed that subscribe button and also that like button. But thank you so much for hitting that subscribe button. It really means a lot, and it's amazing that I have 100 followers on this channel, and I hope to get more and more followers on this channel. But to show a small token of my appreciation, I want to give a $20 gift card, $20 Amazon gift card to one lucky winner. Just again, a small token of my appreciation. And this is a super original idea here. No, it's not. I investing Sensei to this exact thing, and then I'm just, copy and pasting what he did for his 100 subscriber giveaway. And to definitely check out Investing Sensei, I'll include a link to his channel in the description below. And he's an awesome guy, and he has a really good channel, so check that out. Okay, but yeah, really appreciative for the 100 subscribers, guys. And all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to this channel. Smash that like button. No, just subscribe. You can, definitely smash that like button, but all you need to do is subscribe to the channel and make a comment down below. And so I will, in the end of next week, so anytime before Friday, I will then pick all the comments and run it through a generator, and I'll pick one random comment. That lucky winner will get the $20 Amazon gift card. So if you have any friends and family who might benefit from this channel learning how to invest, get started, and a few of my tips and tricks that I learned along the way, or if they could benefit from a $20 Amazon gift card, who wouldn't benefit from a $20 Amazon gift card? I know I would benefit greatly from a $20 Amazon gift card. So tell them just to definitely subscribe and to make a comment down below so that they can possibly get one too. Okay, well, again, thank you guys so much for your support and the positive comments and even any negative comments. And I look forward to any questions that you guys have, any suggestions for future content, and I'll really try to make a video for any comments or questions that you have, and or I'll just answer your questions down below if it's a simple question that I can answer in a few words. So thanks so much, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. For real. Okay, this is getting awkward. Why are you guys still here? There's nothing left to do. Just leave. I'm not gonna give away another anything. Yeah, just a $20 gift card. Come on. All right. See you guys. Ciao. Bye. Okay. Do I really have to? Oh, I have to press this. Okay. My bad. All right. How do I end this? Why is it so difficult to end this video?